Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question: identify these sets of numbers. This is exercise 1.1 and we are trying to solve question 3, and we get this question from Additional Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE O-Level, writers Tony Beresworth. We are in chapter 1, set language and notation. So we are trying to solve this is very important question step by step. Number A. Here is mentioned x such that x has only one factor. In the world, only one factor is for only 1. So the set A is 1. Somebody question, why not -1? Look, -1 has 1 and also -1, so here is 2 factor, right? So only 1 is the answer. Number B. X such that has only 2 factors, so B is a set which is prime number. Prime number has 2 factors. Suppose 2, 3, 5. Look, 2 we can divide only 1 and 2. 3 we can divide 1 and 3. 5 we can divide 1 and 5. What about 15? 15 is not a prime number because we can divide 1, 3, 5 and also 15. So only 2 factors for prime number. Number C. X such that has an odd numbers of factors. C. Look, odd number of factors. What does mean? Like if you consider 10, here is a 1, here is a 2, here is a 5 and here is a 10. Look, this 10 has 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. It means this is a even. But how about 16? 16 we can write 1 times 16, we can write 2 times what? 8, we can write 4 times 4, so 1, 2, 3, but look, here is a 4 and 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, it means this is odd. Very interesting thing, 4 and 4 double, that's why we take 1. So how about 25? 1 times 25, right? Then 5 times 5. So again 1, 2, 3. 3 is also a odd. It means it's a very interesting thing. C is a set, has an odd number of factors. It's a perfect square, right? Perfect square will become a number double. Again, if you consider number 9, look, 9 we can write 1 times 9, then 3 times 3. So we can divide by 1, we can divide by 3, we can divide by 9. So 1, 2, 3. This 9 is become double. That's why the factors are 3. So 3 is a odd number. So our question, x such that x has an odd number of factors, the result is perfect square. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. And if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel. We are in Additional Mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE and O-Level. We are completing exercise 1.1 and today we completed question 3. Next video will become by question 4. Till then, take care and keep practice at home.